And
Very good. Mr. Rahul Singh,
yes,
you'll
sir.
be having interview in which place you said? I'm sorry, I didn't hear properly.
In Indore,
Indoor. Acha, acha, acha.
Indore. Yes.
You are staying where now?
Right now, I am in Rajkot.
Rajkot. That is in
Yeah.
Rajasthan.
No, sir, in Gujarat.
Acha, Gujarat. Acha. Why are
Okay.
you in
Right
Gujarat
now,
now?
I'm in working in Vodafone Idea Limited, so that's why I have to
Acha, acha.
stay here.
You are that candidate. Acha, good. You are
Oh,
now with
yes.
Vodafone Idea Limited as what?
As a manager in mass and distribution.
Manager in
Mass and distribution.
what is that? Mass and distribution. Pata nahi humko.
Uh, so it's about sales department,
Hmm,
and we have to handle the distribution channel and ensuring
hmm,
the sales in a given territory.
hmm.
So it's all about mass
So
and
what
distribution.
territory you are managing?
Rajkot.
Only Rajkot.
Yes, sir. I'm handling Rajkot right now.
How many people are working under you?
There are 10 people.
Acha, good. So what is the strategy you adopt for increasing the number of subscribers? Because all said and done, the top two leading companies are Airtel and Jio.
Sir,
Okay.
actually, yes, sir.
What
Uh,
strategies you adopt for getting more customers? Is it that your rates are cheaper than others? Because
yes, sir.
already your company is in red, and of course the government has done good to you by taking equity and all that. That is another story. Now tell me what strategies you're adopting for increasing the customer base.
Sir, actually, we work on in that way that company give a different scheme on different day, and we have to use in a that way that we can increase a customer base. Like in a big day, company give a scheme in which the price of that particular one SIM is reduced to 50, 30, 20. So we have to sell and we have to communicate that scheme around the line and make a pre-plan before the big day and try to acquire more and more number for these.
அதை எடுத்து remove it. எடுத்துருங்க ஆஃப் பண்ணிருக்கது.
Can switch it on, da.
Yeah, 1 minute. Vodafone recharge. Can you tell me your famous recharges?
The famous recharges are 349, that is Hero Unlimited pack,
Mhm.
and it mainly Hero Unlimited pack is famous recharges. And recently we launched VIG Wiki Guarantee, in which customer get 130 GB more if they recharge about 349.
So Vodafone is there in foreign also.
Yes, sir.
So I am seeing just now I am seeing, but select which country the product you want. Supposing I say Canada, mm, it tells about acha, Albania, Australia, Fuji, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Italy, Netherlands, Portugal. अच्छा इधर में नहीं है. It is there in
Yes, sir.
those countries only, Australia and other places. So in India, what is the 1 year charges? Similar
One
to 1 year. So entire
one
year,
year.
mm,
Sorry, sir.
1 year recharge के लिए, I think our um, Geo is charging 3,599 rupees or so for 2.5 GB every day.
Yes, sir.
What is your scheme?
We are giving 36993599 for 1.5 GB, 2 GB per day.
3699.
Yes,
Only 1.5 GB.
1.5 GB, and also I
No, no,
didn't
you are
remember
not
the exact.
remembering. You are
Yes, the
not
exact value. I'm
remembering.
not remember exact value. Uh, but it is around 3699 and 3899 something. For 2 GB and 1.5 GB.
तो थोड़ा इसको वेरीफाई करके रख लीजिए. They may not ask
Oh,
you
okay. Oh, okay, sir. No problem.
because your interview will be slightly different from others. Say when I put it here, I don't get India. I get only foreign recharge.
Okay, sir.
That is the problem because I am in Canada. That's the reason. 1 minute. I will put India recharge of Vodafone repaid. Mhm. That's right. Now tell me about the marketing strategies you adopt for getting success.
For increasing customer base.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, we work in that as we have manpower. So whatever the scheme from the company and we have to just convey down the line, and we are aligned the same for the achieving the target. And one day before any big day, a normal day, we just place an activity on our locations. Like we identify the location that on the particular locations, our boy will do the activity in sending the SIM card. So basically, we work on identify location, providing the good scheme customers. Like if you want to do
Uh,
MNP,
do,
then on
do you do you put temporary umbrellas and all and sit and
yes sir,
canvas?
yes sir,
Yeah.
yes sir,
Apart from
and
uh, among the so many people working under you now, can you
yes sir,
recollect about one person who has been able to do very well? Tell what are the
yes.
special qualities in him that help him to achieve this.
Sir, I remember one person. His name is Ronak.
No name, don't tell name. No,
Okay, okay,
name is
okay,
not
okay,
required. Yeah.
okay. I remember one
Let
of the
us
person.
let us call him X. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I remember one of my employees ex, and I think we give the target of 400 per month that they have to achieve. So I think they have the skills like he is good in communication skill. His communication and the way of talking, the way convincing the other are really good, and also they easily interact with other. And as a Gujarati, he know well how to talk to others, how to pitch a product because he have the experience for more than 5 years. So I think experience and way of talking make him a good seller, and uh,
थोड़ा
and
थोड़ा
that
इस
is
क्वेश्चन के लिए आप प्रिपेयर करके रखो और भी अच्छा बोल सकते हैं.
okay, okay, sir.
Now the question will come: how will you take this skill into marketing our products?
Sir, as we know that giving exceptional services to the customer is a paramount of any banking sector. So here, interpersonal and communicational skill play an important role because the way we were interacting with the customer and way we were explaining the about the product to the customers play a key role. Because if are able to explain well about the product, then definitely we can able to convince her, and we can able to convince her and able to sell our product. So here,
Now
communication skill play.
why don't you market one of our bank products to me?
Sorry, sir.
You please market one of our bank products to me. Imagine I am a customer and
Okay,
would be customer. You are in the bank. You are marketing any product of your choice. Talk to me
uh,
about that. This is
okay,
the type of question they are asking nowadays. Earlier, they were asking, please sell this ballpoint pen. Please sell this water bottle. Please sell
okay,
this blackboard. They were giving like that. Now they are giving questions like this. So, Mr. Anand, you also be ready for this question. Prepare. So, you have to market any of the, say, loan products or deposit products or digital, whatever it is. बताइए.
okay. Like I can go through one Smile Pay that is launched by Federal Bank.
Hmm.
Uh, sir, I have one question that directly I go to giving the instruction or quality of the product or
No, no,
directly
you are
speak in a
you are
practical way.
going. You are the banker. You have to talk to me about the plus point of your product that
Okay,
will
okay,
make me switch over to your bank. Smile Pay is one of the paying mechanisms that you can use it for answering the question, what new ideas you have come to know about Smile Pay? What are the recent news about Federal Bank? For that, you can use that question. But
Okay.
regarding product, you can't sell Smile Pay. You have to market for a savings account or a current account or a fixed deposit or a car loan or a home loan, something like that. Have you studied about that or not?
Yes, sir. I studied about Federal Bank, what they are providing product and services.
No, which product you are thorough? You must be able to tell the salient features of it.
Okay, sir.
Tell
Like,
me.
okay, like, hello, sir.
Yeah.
I want to say about the saving accounts of our bank, Federal Bank.
Mm,
It's good for you if you open account in our bank, because right now we are serving more than 80 million customer base, and all are the loyal one. If you open account on our bank, then definitely we are not giving
80 million means what is the how many
18 million.
crores?
18 million means 1.8
Eight,
crore.
1.85 crore, correct.
Yes,
You
sir,
said 18.
1.85
I
crore.
heard it as 8.
No, sir, 18.
Okay, continue.
Okay, now when, sir, if you open an account with us, then definitely we are giving not only good services, but only we are giving the good digital platform. We can access 24 hours 7. And also there is, I think you will not face any problem in futures. If you are having any trouble, then you are free to call to us any executive. And we are giving good interest rate on our saving account. And also we have different category, we have different category for different person, so you can open account with us.
What is the interest you are paying in SB account now?
It's 4% in saving
No,
account.
3%.
4%.
3%.
3%. Okay, okay, sir.
3%. To some 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs and all, but don't worry about it. Say 3%, that will do.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Good. Can you please tell me what is a demat account?
So demat account is used for share market account. As I don't know much about it, but as it's used by share market, when we want to invest money in share market, for that purpose we use a demat account to make transition.
You are a boy living in Gujarat where even the doors will speak about stock market, stock exchange and all.
Yes, sir.
How
Yes, sir.
come you are not prepared about that? You have to know more about it. Certainly there will
Yes.
be a question for you.
Okay, sir. Sir, am I right
Please.
that I said it's account for share market?
Yeah,
And
that is correct, but that will not do. You must be able to tell something more. We will ask
okay, sir.
Anand because he is an investor himself. Anand, can you tell us what is a demat account?
So basically, that is an account where you can sell and buy shares of any particular company or any particular securities.
Can you get it done directly through that or through some brokers?
Yes, sir. Actually, Demat account is connected with a lot of brokers who provide that service. Example, Upstocks is there, Grow is there. These are all stock brokers who gives us an opportunity to open a Demat account with them. So.
Acha. So if there is no need for a bank account for that demat account?
I mean, if you have, yes, sir, you need a bank account because your bank account will be linked to that Demat account where your fund transfers and everything will happen, sir.
Correct. Now,
Yes.
Mr. Vodafone, could you understand now?
Yes, sir, I understand.
To some extent, you have to read something more about it and talk to
Okay,
some
sir.
people who are really maintaining stocks. उनसे बात करना है.
Okay.
I am also not that very familiar with it because हमारा दिन में तो ये सब इतना ज्यादा नहीं था. That is the reason. Good. So you told about demat. Now you told about the product also. Fine. Please tell me what all you know about Federal Bank.
Sir, Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector's bank in India, having a customer base of 18 million, 18 more than 18 millions. And
No, you say you tell that as 1.85 crore.
Okay, 1.85 crores. And if I talk about the headquarter, that headquarter is in Alua, Kerala, and the founder of Federal Bank was KP Hormus, and
Was me.
recently,
Founder is
okay, I'm sorry, sir. Founder is KP
Kal.
Hormus,
Hmm.
and
Yeah.
recently KVS Manan taking the charge of MD and CEO of Federal Bank, and they are having more than 1500 plus branches, and all over the India. Uh, that's all.
इतना बोलने से हो जाएगा?
Sir, I know only this about Federal Bank.
अच्छा, ओहो.
Sir, I have one question that if they ask me just
यहाँ पर देखिए, I have given the people like this. This is a 340 pages questions. 340 pages questions, जिसमें everything you will have right from hierarchy, then about federal bank position, about RBI governor, then other functions, vagera vagera, about SEBI, etc. Yeah, doesn't matter. Now let me come to your next question. Do you have any questions? Vodafone, tell me.
Sir, I have one question that if they ask me this question, tell me something about Federal Bank. So what do I have to consider and what point we
Yeah,
have to consider?
I have told that in many of the videos. Still, let me tell you. Number one, Federal Bank was started by KP Hormis in the year 1931. Its
Okay,
headquarters is now in Aluva, Kochi. The
okay,
present MD and CEO is Mr. KVS Manian. And the
okay,
bank has got so many branches, outlets. Then it has got so many ATMs. It has got so many cash recyclers.
mm,
Then the total customer base is 1.85 crore. The bank is offering various products such as deposit products, such as savings bank, current account, fixed deposit, and recurring deposits, besides the demat account, which is used for purchase and sale of shares. Then bank is also giving various loans. Tell the name of the loans. Bank is offering digital loan products also, like internet banking, then this one mobile banking, then certain other mobile app, Fed mobile net, etc. So
yes,
tell those names also. And after telling broadly like that, then you should tell bank has received these awards, 2-3 awards. उसको बता दीजिए. Then bank is interested in rendering good corporate social responsibility, and their main activities are giving, say they are giving buses to schools and colleges, scholarships to children. Then they also have the Sanjeevani cancer treatment scheme, like that. You can tell about that. Federal Bank's 30th June figures. You are aware of the 30th June figures? Otherwise,
yeah,
you can see on the board, on the screen now. This is the Federal Bank results for the second quarter. Like total business is 4.87 lakh crore, deposit 2.66 lakh crore, total net advances 2.21 lakh crore, net profit 1009.53 crore. Then a return on assets for quarter one this much, return on equity this much, GNPA, NNPA this much, Federal Bank share price as on date is this much, market capitalization is this much, and its capital risk weighted asset ratio is this much. ये सब आप बोल सकते हैं. Along with that, if you stop without telling that, they will ask you to tell the financial details. You can tell that.
okay,
And in case they have time, they will ask you a question. What is the recent news you have heard about Federal Bank? In that, you can say the previous managing director, Mr. So and so, has retired, and this new person has joined. Then they have introduced the Smile Pay. Then Federal
mm,
Bank has got a unique scheme of 24/7, Fed 24/7, which people can open account any time of the day. So likewise, you can tell some points about this Federal Bank also. And in that, you can tell about the total business of the bank. You know, if you keep that pending, you can tell that as one of the details about Federal Bank. And you can tell Federal Bank is offering very good interest rate nowadays, like say for some 444 days or some days, they are offering 7.9% for senior citizens, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can tell up to that. Very good. Please tell me current affair news you are remembering.
Sir, about bank,
Anything जो मन में आता है, जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, उसके बारे में बता दीजिए.
sir, actually, I don't go through it.
अरे भाई, you must know about they ask these question in Chennai and all. They are asking.
Okay, okay, sir.
Tell
So,
me
but
the
I
states.
don't.
Tell me the states where the elections were held recently. Who is the new chief minister? Tell me the states where elections are going to take place uh, next month. Like that, they are asking. So please go through. They do ask about Russia-Ukraine crisis. They do ask about Israel-Iran crisis. Even yesterday, they have bombarded. Israel has bombarded Iran. Today's newspaper is telling like that. So you please update your knowledge regarding that also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. If you want, you can take one more interview. If you pay the balance of that for 404, I will give you my materials and you will become a member of my WhatsApp group for there are nearly 200 candidates, and you can also you will get newspaper every day from me. I will include you as a member of a WhatsApp group. It is for you to decide. I will not force you. Otherwise, you did well, and the job will be yours if only you can answer the marketing questions tactfully.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah,
Sir, if they ask me that why you want to join Federal Bank,
obviously, it's
sir,
because
so
the pay packet you are getting is much lower than the pay packet you are going to get there. You can
yes, sir.
tell them that
So, sir, here I have one.
say I am doing marketing in Vodafone, but here marketing is with a challenge and with a good career prospects.
Okay. So, like I prepare.
Other things remaining constant, you cannot expect this salary in Vodafone in the near future. Maybe there are some top bosses who are drawing more than what these people are giving, but still, I don't know the salary structure or this possibility of salary in Vodafone. What is the highest pay for your branch people
So,
in your
highest pay
branch?
of annually package, if I talk about my area sales manager, is more than 20 lakh per annum.
So, very good. So, but don't tell that because they will say, why should you come here? You better stay there and do it. And even then, what is the pay now? Present packet 7 or 8 lakhs. How much?
My,
Uh,
yes, sir, around 8 lakh.
Around 8 lakh. Acha. So doesn't matter. So you can choose like that and answer. This is the reason. One, good
Okay, okay,
career
sir.
prospects. Yeah, very good. Best wishes.
Sir,
Number one, based on my observation, one, you are not thorough with the stock market, etc. You should know about what is SEBI, what is stock exchange, and all that, and demat account because you are from Gujarat. And you should know about TRAI, TRAI. Who is the chairman of TRAI now?
sir, don't know about it.
Huh? You don't know?
Sir, no, sir, don't remember right now.
You should know all those things. Who is the communication minister in central government? And like that. These questions are, I mean, if I am going to be in the board, I will ask questions related to your present job. You know how far you are closely associating yourself with the job to ensure success. Will you do the same thing with us? That's the thing. Do you follow? Who is Reserve Bank Governor?
Shaktikant Das.
Correct. Good. Anything else you want to ask?
Sir, like as you said about how to answer about Federal Bank if they ask me why to join Federal Bank. Like I said, I will start with saying that Federal Bank is one of the leading sectors, and what thing I like in Federal Bank, and they are involved in many CSR activity. I can start like this only.
Yeah. That is also okay. Nothing wrong.
Mm. Then I go with
Right.
their job roles that they're offering.
Hmm. Yeah. Best wishes. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.